It's currently 11:49 a.m. and here is the line to St. George's Castle. This is for the ticketing line. We realized that you can buy skip the line ticket, so we're doing that right now. All right, so we were able to purchase skip the line tickets on stgeorgecastle.com, and we were able to pass in pretty smoothly. I mean, that line was ridiculous. And here's how the entryway looks. Beautiful. I'm gonna walk over here to the edge just to see the view. Here is another angle of the city. I'm not sure where I'm looking. It's a little bit foggy today and the wind is crazy and it's raining.